And we're seeing Nvidia and the large caps moving higher and higher and higher because of the AI bubble that we're in. And that's normal. That's fine. However, it is a risky situation. And like I mentioned, if you're not seeing the broader market doing well, there is something not going well with the broader economy as well. Okay. Everything that we're seeing, the growth in the economy, is all down to data centers, AI, etc. And here you are. I'll show you again. We have May. Yes, we moved a little bit higher. We have July. We have the August, September play here. And then since then, we are slowing down. And now we have the higher low. And yes, okay, we could go up here again and then come back down. But it's something that you should be monitoring and managing as much as you guys can, okay? The volatility has been very high this year, especially with Trump and tariffs and a number of other factors coming in and creating that volatility in the markets. The stock market hasn't felt it as much as the crypto market and risk on assets like the Russell 2000 and so on. But yeah, the volatility is still there to be seen, still there to manipulate and impact traders' performance. The Nasdaq as well, showing here all-time highs. Yes, all-time high for the Nasdaq, but again, I already explained it. Nvidia, Palantir, all these major companies are seeing all-time highs, not on the broader market. I think we can also cover the equal-weighted QQQ. I think it's one of those two. It was the E before the QQQ or the QQQ before the E. I'm just going to remember it. Okay, so the Nasdaq moving up higher, creating these new highs. The equal-weighted Nasdaq again because of the top companies holding up and raising everything. But look, we are at levels where I think relative strength usually starts weakening, as you can see here. So we are overextended, and like I said, pullback would be natural. And I will add an alert here to this area around the 48,200 on the equal weighted, because I think this can be a key trigger point for a sell-off in the market. Now, we're probably going to be able to see that a little bit earlier anyway, but just good to get an alert in there just to see where the situation is. And like I said, we have this overextension. It looks to me that we should be coming back to 47,000 on the weighted again.